This will be a how-to video on printing out filter group so you can see what's included in it. It work for if you're setting one up initially so you can make sure you got everything right, or if you need to edit one, you can print it out first, see what's in it before you go in there. From the welcome page here, we're going to select the core software. Where we want to be is in filter groups, so we can select that on the left-hand menu, or we can use our icons, so configuration, filter groups. As you can see here, I have a maintenance group already set up, so I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to hit print, and it's going to give me this printout. As you can see, I have these devices or locations, station 1, 2, 3, and 4. Monitoring point for this is all maintenance, so it shows up here. Once you have this data, you can select this icon here to get a hard copy you print out on a piece of paper. You can select this to download an XML file version of this. Or if you have email set up on your order system already, you can click this and it would email it to a technician here at VersaCall. Could be a reason why that maybe they asked for it. That's an easy way to do it. Once you're done with that page, simply close it out. It'll return you to this page. And that will conclude this video on how to print out a filter group. Look forward to talking to you again.